In this video, we'll see about how to print n even numbers and find their sum using Python. We create a variable n is equal to int input enter number of terms for I in range n plus 1 if I minus 2 is equivalent to 0, print I comma end is equal to open quotation space. So let's run the program. Enter number of terms 8. So we got 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So to find the sum, we create another variable a is equal to an empty set. So after this print, we'll just say a dot append I. So it will append all these even numbers to the set a. Print slash a new line sum is equal to sum of a, and the program. Enter number of terms is 17. Run it again. 10, 30. So thank you for watching.